In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Apollo.io to LinkedIn in just 5 minutes, ensuring that your integration process is smooth and efficient. Let's dive in. First, it's essential to start by visiting your web browser's extension store. This step is crucial because Apollo.io needs to be installed as an extension to work its magic. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the web store. This process is the same whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser entirely, since most major web browsers support extensions. Now, once you're in the web store, use the search bar that's usually located at the top of the page to search for Apollo.io. Typing this in should bring up a list of related extensions. As you scroll through, keep an eye out for the official Apollo.io extension. It's vital to ensure that you're selecting the authentic extension to guarantee both security and functionality. After locating the Apollo.io extension in the list, it's time to add it to your browser. You'll typically see an Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button next to the extension. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will likely prompt you to confirm by asking if you want to add the extension. Confirm it, and the installation process will begin. This is usually a quick process, but occasionally you might experience a slight delay. If that happens, just be patient. It shouldn't take too long. During this process, it's also helpful to close any unnecessary tabs to help speed things up. Once added, you might notice a small Apollo.io icon appearing alongside your other extensions in the browser bar. This icon is your gateway to linking Apollo.io with LinkedIn. Click on it to begin setting up your account if you haven't already, or to sign in if you have an existing account. This step will also prompt you to grant permissions, which is necessary for Apollo.io to interact with LinkedIn seamlessly. And there you have it. With Apollo.io now linked to LinkedIn through your browser, you'll have access to a wider range of tools and insights directly from your LinkedIn profile. This setup enhances networking, allowing you to gather information and streamline your outreach efforts effortlessly. Keep in mind that regularly checking for updates on the Apollo.io extension can ensure that you are always benefiting from the latest features and security improvements. I hope you found this guide helpful. Connecting Apollo.io to LinkedIn can significantly elevate your networking game. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials.